इंजीनियर्स को डेली क्या एक्टिविटीज देखने का अभी तुम लोग का टाइम चलो
सेटिस्फेक्शन कितना है लेबर का, उसके हिसाब से फर्स्ट क्या प्रायोरिटी रहनी चाहिए काम का आइटम्स वो पहले आएगा फर्स्ट।
प्रायोरिटी ऑफ वर्क, लेबर एलोकेशन। और इधर आज समझेगा कि क्यों तुम लोग बहुत सारे एक्टिविटीज में पीछे हो। बोलो।
Coordination with the vendors and contractors.
कोऑर्डिनेशन। और आई थिंक इधर 4 इंजीनियर बैठे हैं मेरे हिसाब से।
Availability of drawings. Availability of drawings.
अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रॉइंग्स और तुम इंजीनियर है? और
Using RFI.
और
Clarifying the doubt of the supervisor regarding drawings, if there is any discrepancy or clarification they require.
क्लैरिफिकेशंस और
Follow up with the supervisors, what work or what activities are going on at the site and what other hindrances they are facing.
follow-ups with supervisors और
What is consultant and architects. Coordination में आएगा.
Site work along with the contractors and the supervisors to identify where the loopholes are there.
Weekly, monthly planning. Target.
weekly monthly planning
Productivity analysis.
अभी मेरे को समझता है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स की लोग से हाँ
Productivity analysis to identify where the shortfalls are there in the
प्रोडक्टिविटी क्यों बोल रहे हैं यू आर अ गेस्ट हियर मिस्टर अल्पेश गांधी यू डोंट वर्क डेली लाइक मी ऑन साइट वी आर द एब्सोल्यूट नॉनसेंस पीपल नॉट रिक्वायर्ड ऑन साइट they are the ones who are working they have to know what they are supposed to do you and I don't come every day to tell them ये करो ये करो ये करो
testing of the tubes.
say let's say testing of materials okay because you have to do steel
Yeah.
you have to do periodical cement everything so testing of materials now what is the major item missing in this in fact two important items are missing
Peak operating at the start of the day. The
No. Two major important activities for engineers.
So inspection,
safety.
I'm not worried about inspection because I'm assuming as I go further that my supervisors are doing a brilliant job and it's not a daily activity. It's not an for me it's not the activity but there are two the activities that engineer must do are missing them.
Reviewing the safety parameters which are there on site.
Safety parameter, you have an engineer, you are just supposed to supervise. It is not the activity for you to check.
Quality maintenance.
If you did not have a safety engineer on site, yes, the engineer responsible would do it. But since you have a safety engineer, I'm talking site engineer, still okay, sorry. Safety engineer is an engineer, he's gone, I'm saying regular engineers working on site. Two most important activities.
Quality maintenance on site.
Quality maintenance happens if the supervision happens here and if the supervision happens here. Quality primarily is supervisor's responsibility. You people don't understand how important your roles are. You people take yourself like मैं supervisor. You are the most important person on the project. आप या तो project बना सकते हो या बिगाड़ सकते हो. As an engineer, I am telling you this, leaving aside all my egos and everything. It is the supervisors on site that make site tick. लिख के ले लो किधर तो. Not engineers. या फिर पागल इंजीनियर चाहिए मेरे जैसा जो आजकल रेयरिटी है, नहीं मिल रहा ऑनेस्टली. एटलीस्ट आई एम नॉट फाइंडिंग. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट ऑल दिस. Who's going to check the bills? Engineer?
Yeah.
And who's going to study the drawings? You say clarify. How will you clarify doubts? When the drawing, you've talked about availability of drawings, you spoke about clarity to the supervisors. Where is the missing link between the two? Who's going to study the drawings? मैं भी नहीं पढ़ता, ऑलवेज भी नहीं पढ़ता है. ईमेल आया, ईमेल फॉरवर्ड हो गया, आप लोग ने प्रिंट आउट निकाला, आपने डायरेक्ट दे दिया. इज दैट द वे इट शुड वर्क? When the drawings come, your RCC drawing and architectural drawing have to be matched, have to be tallied, even before it goes on the site. Two important activities, according to me. The activities that define an engineer. ये सब हो सकते हैं. Any average engineer will perform this brilliantly, believe me. But a brilliant engineer, first, most important, studying of drawings, understanding those drawings and passing on the instructions. And passing the bills on time at office. Because यहाँ से जब तक वहाँ नहीं आएगा, there will be no payments, there is no diesel, no car runs. So many activities, that's why I asked you for a book. Start writing down. I want you to make every individual a daily plan. Say today there are activities, plan your day for today. Write down everybody. I'm not going to see, but I want you to write down and see how much you are supposed to do on a daily basis.